Hello, and welcome back to Rick's Kits. This is the final of my Airfix 172nd e-boat, and this e-boat depicts the 5507, formerly S10, of the 55th Poston Flotilla. He was originally, like I said, S10 and commissioned in 1935. From 1935 until the outbreak of World War II, she was in the first Schnellboat Flotilla, and they done a propaganda tour of Germany, and she carried on being S10 up until March of 1942, where she was detached from the 6th Schnellboat Flotilla and became 5507. Now, the Poston Flotilla was what they called a picket flotilla of the Coastal Defence Unit on the Norwegian west coast. And her job was to protect merchant vessels around the Norwegian coastline, and also to transfer personnel. That's what she was doing in 1942 until 1944, when she was transferred to the 51st Poston Flotilla, still stationed in Norway, out of Bergen, and she was then redesignated back as S10. So let's take a look at what I've done. I'm going to pick her up. So here we have on the front end the 2 torpedo tubes. In between them is the MG machine gun. We've done the, you can't really see it. Let me see if I can get my hand behind it. I've done this week I've done the fencing. Done the wiring along the front there to stop the men from falling overboard, obviously. I've completed figures. So we've got a torpedo operative there on the front. We've got the commander. We've then got 2 black dinghies. And then we've got the auto machine gun, 20mm. I believe it was 20mm. God, I'm going to have to look this up again. And then we've got the flag, which is obviously incorrect because it doesn't have the swastika in the middle. But as we know, if you want to sell these kits abroad, you can't include that. And then we've got the mines on the back. So, is my S-boat, the 5507. I was trying to locate the decals here, but I can't seem to find anything, and I'm no good at making decals or printing them out. But it should represent like a it would be a black tiger or panther head with 2 crossed swords behind it. And they would be in black, and that would be on either side. of the either side of the boat on the protective panel for the cabin there. Okay, so we're done with this. I want to give my appreciation out to all my new subscribers and to all my old hands. Without you guys, I wouldn't have a channel, so to speak. And I really do appreciate you. Thank you very, very much. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.